I believe that if you check the 3 times, it was highway. The history
After
show
the highway,
a
during
cut road,
the
a cut road,
construction
and
of the
doing
highway.
that, it is more. When it done, the water them now know if you go, so them back up yourself. Somebody need to come and talk to us.
And so you think more research needs to be going into
I think they need to
when
get
they're
some,
going
yeah.
to do the highway.
Jamaica, we need a way. Tell me how me youth fi survive. How me fi send him go school in this time. If me don't make money, politician come on TV. I show with this big pretty smile. Nothing no funny. Look on the life we living. Look on the life we living. Look on the life we living. It's a better way we seeking. Look on the life we living. Look on the life we living. Look on the life we living. Nothing no funny. Look on the life we living. Look on the life we living. It's a better way we seeking. Look on the life we living. Look on the life we living. Look on the life we living. Nothing no funny.
Help, bloody help!
Guys, our house totally flood right out. As you can see, animals in the water drown off. The water smell is stink. We need some assistance.
Normally be a normal front yard that people could walk in or drive, go to their house. Look at this, water is now above window level. The water is above window level right there. Look in the backyard right there. So people normally just walk or drive, go into their house, go on the veranda right there. But look at this, water is above the window level. Above the window level, people. The water just rises from nowhere and keep on rising higher and higher. So right here in Content Kirk by Manchester, this is what the people are experiencing. So this is the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa right here in Content, Manchester. In Clarendon and in Bagwell, there's a similar situation to this where there's a sinkhole, what they call a sinkhole, but when it's saturated, the water cannot take any more water. So all of the water just keep on stay on the land like this. But at least that will happen when rainfall and it flood. But imagine after the rain, you just see this water coming up and it's rising higher and higher and higher daily. Water almost at window level. Look in their backyard over there. Water all the way. They have to evacuate people. They have to move. That normally.
Alright, so this is the part 2 of what is happening in Kirkvine. See the road, I'm in the center here. The road is completely engulfed. Every side you look to, so this is side going back to Williamsfield. And see, water has covered the houses. The other day the house was just at veranda, not even veranda length last Friday. This week now it's fully covered. That pink looking house. And see there, straight up now on the road is completely covered and the water has now come to the other side of the road and is rising to this side of the property. So this is as close as it is up to a star apple tree right here. It's now being engulfed by the water, and see to the side going back to Christiana now. That is going all the way up And that is as far as water goes.
Start by being kind to our neighbors in each and every land, and hope that it